What's up guys, welcome to our channel Etechniz. In this video we will talk about how to fix Windows 10 driver IRQL not less or not equals NDIS.Sys blue screen of error in Windows 10. We will explain you the method you have to use to fix this problem, so stay tuned and watch the complete video. Before going further, do not forget to click on subscribe button, select all to the bell notification, give a thumbs up if you like this video and leave your feedback in the comment section. This issue most probably arises when there is corrupted Network Driver Interface Specification comes up, most frequently in Windows 10 PC. Now without further ado or explanation, let's talk about the method you have to use to fix this problem. Method 1. Unplug and plug external peripherals. If you have any speaker, microphone or headphone connected to your laptop or your desktop, I'm pretty sure you'll definitely gonna have any external peripheral connected to your devices right now. So just unplug it, all of them, even a keyboard and the mouse, and afterward restart your computer. I know that without mouse you cannot restart your computer. Leave the mouse as it is and restart your computer. Alright? And check that if that helps you to fix the problem. Just simply click on restart and unplug the mouse as well to make sure that there is no peripheral is connected to your Windows 10 PC for now. If this helps you to fix the problem, then it's good. Otherwise, let's move on to the method 2. System restore. For the system restore, you have to type in here a command rstiui.exe. This will open the system restore. If you have created any system restore in your Windows 10 PC, then it will show up, and if there is any kind of restore point has been created because of installing or uninstalling any software, then that will show up in here too. So here you can see I have only one restore point which I created manually, means I created that restore point, that's why it's showing manual. If this restore point was created by installing any software or uninstalling any software, then it will show up like automatic. You'll see more option in here, show more restore point. If you'll get that option, just check that box and select the date when your computer was working perfectly fine, and afterward click on scan for affected programs, and it will start scanning for affected program and drivers and show you the result. What are the things gonna be changed when you select the restore point and when you restore your Windows 10 PC. So it's not like it's completely remove anything, it's just gonna restore your Windows 10 to the date when it was working perfectly fine. Means all of the files which was in there gonna be restored back as per the same setting when it was working perfectly fine. You can see the information in here, as there was no changes was made by me, so that's why it's not showing me any kind of description or type in here. So I can simply click on close and I can select this, click next, and afterward just click finish, and it will show you this screen. Once it starts, system restore cannot be interrupted. Do you want to continue? Just simply click on yes, and it will restore your PC to the back date when your computer was working perfectly fine. You can try this method. If this helps you to fix your problem, then it's good. Otherwise, let's move to the method 3. Windows Memory Diagnostic. In here, you have to open a Windows Memory Diagnostic tool which pre-installed in Windows 10 PC. So type in here Windows Memory. You'll see this Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Select this. Click on Run as Administrator. It will show you this option. Check your computer for memory problems. Click on Restart Now and check for recommendation. Once I'll start this program, it will take several minutes. As you can see some information in here as well. Save your work and close any open program before restarting. So it's gonna take some time to check your computer for memory problems. And once it is started, it could take a minute or 2 or 5 minutes to diagnose your complete computer. It all depends on the software and the application and the file folder you have on your PC. So it's gonna check it, and afterward it's gonna bring back your computer to the normal screen. If it helps, then it's good. Otherwise, let's move to the method 4. Change policy. Do a right click on Windows icon, click on Device Manager. Here you'll see disk driver. Double click on it. You'll see the hard disk information in here. Do a right click, click on properties. Here you can see the policies. Check this box and click OK and restart your PC. Method 5. Drive tool. Here I'll show you a simple command, otherwise you can simply go into the My PC as well. You can simply type here My PC. You'll see this PC in here. You can click on open, or either you can simply press and hold it down the Windows icon on your keyboard and press E as an echo. It will also open the same File Explorer screen. Click on this PC and you will be on this screen. Once you'll be in this screen, do a right click, click on properties. Here click on tools, and in error checking click on check and scan drive. It will take some time. However, it's not gonna take some time on my PC because I have good hard drive installed on my PC, so it's not gonna take that much time. If you have SSD, then it's not gonna take a lot of time to scan. It depends on the hard drive you have. Method 6. Chkdsk SFC Command. In here you have to put a command in CMD, so type in here CMD, click on run as administrator, click yes. First you have to type the command of Chkdsk. Type chkdsk space C:/ space /F. Here you can see the information Chkdsk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process. Would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restart? So I can simply type yes and press enter, and whenever you restart your PC it will start scanning. For now I'm typing no, and after putting this command you have to type another command which is SFC scan. So just type SFC space / scan now and press enter. It will take some time to verify your PC, so let it be, and after running this command simply restart your PC, and after restart I'm pretty sure your problem will get resolved. So that's all for today. I hope these methods will help you to solve your problem related to Windows 10 driver IRQL not less or equal error, and it will fix your blue screen of error. If any of the method helped you to fix the problem, then give a thumbs up and leave your feedback in the comment section. Meet you in the next video.